Today we want to talk about tummy tuck, or what's called like abdominoplasty. Tummy tuck in common name and in medical name abdominoplasty or abdominal lipoplasty is a surgical procedure done to do the resurfacing of the lax abdomen, especially done in post-pregnancy individuals for their laxity of the lower abdominal skin as well as the laxity of the muscle and removal of the varying amount of fat in the subcutaneous plane with or without repair of the possible hernia which would have happened due to the pregnancy or due to the cesarean section. So medically it is a procedure of complete all level all layer abdominal wall reconstruction with aesthesis taken into account. So tummy tuck in common name says that you are going to tighten the abdominal skin. So what we are going to do in this procedure is that we are going to elevate the skin above the muzzle level with an incision which is in the lowermost part of the abdomen. These incisions are usually hidden in the undergarment area. After elevating the skin, we are going to release the navel from the skin and go ahead and do the little more elevation possible enough safely so that we have an adequate amount of skin that can be easily removed. At the same time, before doing this elevation, we would have done the liposuction in the upper part of the abdomen to thin it out to the maximum so that we get a good amount of smoothening or ironing out of the abdominal wall thickness. So after the procedure, what we can expect is a good tight abdomen with a nice position of the umbilicus as well as well hidden scars which is in the undergarment area. So these surgeries will be a very moral boosting and a confidence boosting surgeries for the women who are having this post pregnancy which is making them have a low confidence because of always a protruding abdomen kind of thing which will make them less confident. And this is a surgical procedure which is done in a right way, is of very minimal downtime and a very good cosmetic result as well as very less complications in terms of surgery as such. So abdominoplasty is a procedure which can be safely done in most of the patients.